Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and we're bringing you once again Triple Play Saturday, people. You're gonna love it. All the watch faces that we're gonna review today on all 3 rounds are gonna be free for the taking. So I hope you all enjoy. It's the weekend. Make sure you go out, enjoy family and friends, and most of all, just make sure you're safe. All right, let's go ahead and kick off round 1. The name of this watch face is called Eros Digital. It's a very sleek, very unique design, very nice. Now, what's different about this watch face is that you're not gonna get a digital time. You will get a classic analog time that's gonna look nice in the AOD mode. When you cut the watch face on, very unique, very stylish watch face. I'm giving the developer 2 thumbs up in the door for this one. I do like how you got your stacked digital time right here. And yes, people, it is in 24 hours. So if you enter 24 hours, this is gonna be right up your alley, free for the taking. You come down, you will get your heart rate information and also your steps. And as you can see, I'm still up under 20,000. We're still walking less, but we're getting better and better every day. All right. Now, I like the style and the design of this watch face. Very different from any other watch face that I've seen in the Gear Manager store. Now, over here, it's going to give you the date, right? Which I thought was pretty nice. And this right here is going to tell you what day of the week it is. And pointing down here is going to let you know what month. So I like the style of the days of the week and the month. Really, really looks nice. And over here, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, I thought that was pretty slick for a watch face. You gotta admit, yes, people, if the developer is listening, make a 12-hour watch face. I'm quite sure there's a lot of other people that would love to enjoy this awesome looking design. All right, you all, let's go ahead and let's check out the bonus watch face. Number 2 is called Eros Digital. It's a nice 12-hour watch face. They have this one also in 24 hours. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the simplest digital time ever. Now, this is definitely a super dressed down watch face. This watch face is meant for if you're just hanging around the house, if you're going to the grocery store, but it is a nice analog watch face. And it also has digital time along with it as well. Now, you are going to get information like battery, the day of the week. You're going to get your date information, things of that nature. You're not going to be able to get your step info or anything like that. Again, this watch face is meant to be worn super dressed down. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed Triple Play Saturday round 1. Make sure you look out for Triple Play Saturday round 2 because it will be coming up soon. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.